One of my favorite products that we have in our RV is the Zevo bug trap. All you have to do is just plug it in and it creates a blue light that attracts the bugs. It's winter time right now. We've had ours plugged in. It's kind of gross. For a couple months actually. In the summertime, this fills up really quickly with bugs. But all you need to do is once this fills up, this is like super, super sticky on here, so they get caught on there, is you just take this out and then you put in a new insert and just keep it plugged in. It's as simple as that. We have collected so many bugs, so it makes it less pesky inside. This has really been a great saver in our RV as not being annoyed by all of the bugs. And you don't have to do anything. It just collects them on here, which is super, super nice.